Hey everyone, welcome back to Grow My Savings. If you've ever tried cutting expenses and felt like you were depriving yourself, you're not alone. Most people think saving money means giving up everything fun, but it doesn't have to. Today, I'll show you simple ways to cut costs that don't feel like sacrifice. These are realistic, guilt-free swaps that keep your lifestyle intact while helping your wallet grow. First, let's shift how you think about saving. It's not about being cheap, it's about being strategic. You're not cutting back to suffer. You're creating space for what truly matters. When you spend consciously, every dollar has a purpose. That's what turns small adjustments into big, long-term wins. Let's start with a few simple, painless swaps. Make coffee at home. If you buy a $5 coffee every weekday, that's over $1,200 a year. Even if you replace half of those with homemade ones, you save $600 without feeling deprived. Meal prep one extra day per week. Cooking just one more dinner at home can save $40, $60 a week. Review subscriptions. Check your streaming, fitness, or app subscriptions. Cancel the ones you barely use and rotate others every few months. Buy in bulk, smartly. Non-perishables like detergent, rice, and paper goods are often much cheaper when bought in larger quantities. These swaps don't take away comfort, they just give you control. Instead of eliminating things you love, look for ways to optimize them. Love eating out? Try lunch specials or share plates instead of full dinners. Enjoy streaming? Choose one main platform and rotate monthly. Drive often? Use apps like Fuel Map or Gas Buddy to find cheaper fuel nearby. Online shopper? Always check for cashback offers or coupon extensions like Honey. The idea is to trim the extras, not kill your joy. That's what makes your savings sustainable. Now here's the secret to making all these changes work. Whenever you save, whether it's $5 from skipping coffee or $30 from canceling a subscription, automate that money straight into your savings account. This turns small wins into real growth. You'll start seeing results without even noticing the difference in your daily routine. Remember, saving money doesn't mean saying no to everything. Celebrate your discipline. If you saved $100 this month, treat yourself to something small that brings joy, guilt-free. Because financial balance is about progress, not perfection. When you save smarter, not harder, your goals stay exciting, not exhausting. Thanks for tuning in to Grow My Savings. If you found these cost-cutting tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's trying to save without stress. And stay tuned for our next episode, The Paycheck Plan: How to Make Every Dollar Count.